have to accept it. If you can't accept it, and because of that, or trend who here would now who friend now find out by you wine here. Me explaining me who chill. I'll just cut you off. And in the area.
Yes, now, what you more honour, your friends, your pub honour now, only wait to be quiet.
19 then. What is wrong with it?
Bibisa.
But incident to me no be out. It makes me feel good. It makes me happy. It gives me peace of mind. It makes me happy. So then, if it doesn't make you happy and you are upset about it, you are not the right person to be around me. Me pobi say to akra na me pe and I miss me the metakra ma be ra to anu de bia na say we madam fo na so dome na say affects you in a bad mood, then you can't be my friend. Then if you think I'm weird, then you have to stay away from me. I have to be able to be with anybody I want to be with. It is a many of you call out on me pub more, whatever I saw you clean now, so you wait out, so I don't know, manage you or say, then you. It is my space, it is my choice. If the person doesn't have any.
I was here more covered the Abamoja TV so. Social media and to be for Biaman and Homine so a odi Tonaldo enemies bill. Now was here for last month odi Tonaldo the video be bab on tea say or be treble could be. A sign say Voness moon natural to be a moon sem de buja. No, no, so betrayed in a book in the title, The Sin of My Best Friend. And I got a first best friend, the name animes bill because net a fiash as nigger can't win a fiash as nigger free my animes bill trouble and maybe a chum. They say the animal animes bill. In time, I didn't miss Bell, I ain't see I wouldn't near man sending who information never grab on team. And was in some more day banners a gun of 40 I'm here to grab a pie. Now, son, the best friend, any waiter. I'd done in 9 year my walk. They say, well, therefore, the and the best friend in the teacher, or the teacher free, or be a match. I say, boy, I might crave soon as so. I will see I'm going to show you to another video.
And there will be a situation near do ya expose a cosoa Obia Cadia in Yonko Diana Anana done for Diana and the idea. And the mio di Tonaldo. Nana automatic, Nana change gear, Nana patakojeko. So be a cadia, Nadamfo, and Nadafo, Diana and Yadia. And Yagana for me to be the media. Your book, sure. Me to make sure book. And then a book na make sure no. And the title near The Sins of My Best Friend. Book the title The Sins of My Best Friend. Oh na be hu oba be sia baby boy bimba. Oh na be hu oba be sia. Oh sia so ya celebrity. And so ni waiter. Edi ni twem. Oh na be hu celebrity o say o ye tough for your oba be sia. O say ni waiter ye gay. Into a pami ni waiter no. Ni waiter area ni 100 million. And into a family waiter no. And so na waiter no. Edi ni twem. Eta free di twem. Eni ni ko yin se nyia. E kan. Hey. Me book ni dey be tough o. Me book na just after na me better radio so I pray public sympathy ni nyama nyama there me sure ni nyia wo book nim. Now kan ya what you say? Aye. Oh na be who say yes. Celebrate ya. Only 21 years, 22 years, gay boy. Ow. Aye. It's more watch it out very soon. Me so me show me book. A title here. The Sins of My Best Friend. Namunya mubenya the shock of my life. Or how that we say character be brave and kofu portray. And as suban be brave and kofu portray that sana moteno. And yes, and I'm The Sins of My Best Friend coming out soon. Watch out. That's all.
I was here for this and somehow the Tonaldo the Begu Mountain on Ghana for Miss Bell. Be you one and you say one and send you one. I want to Miss Bell so on the Yassi or by only best friend. The best friend or why and a mat, name one and four or cobe be next who could drew one more morning and an for name of few our pet or friend our pan or befa. Or power on fenya compulsory or you're a friend. That time at that moment now you're a friend. Into obi obe meeting no street so he phone or you're a friend. Then mom send the best friend pa ni chocho mucho or kind of soon someone who didn't come out there a ma. And the odi to now can it who she. Na sebi senko nyansa foa. And as best friend, that's all ye maybe in your crana. I didn't know what's a hano. It didn't know what's the Bamontin, so Becky Cassania maybe, sir. I was our Kingdom FM, so I cry interview, and I miss Belly's answer me now at Twitter.
No, BB, not when you're uncomfortable. You have to quit with me. You don't have to put up with it to the point where you want to do what? And then you are a fool. If I am hurting you, now face said, I mean, yeah, one pa, and who I know at me because that's what I do. Me ne wo ya down for sit down. O pass ya bron sama me wo phone back I will tell you that what from me. So me share na be ha me whatever you have given me, if I have to give it back to you, I'll give it back to you and have my peace. But if you put up with it, and then like you say, I'll put up with it, so now I'm ready to talk. Honey, obi awu, I like it. What the fuck? That's my personal business. I like it. I wo ube sana obe nyinsen no. Ube adwindwin bebre. Wonyin say na wo hwe na de nim gwase bebra obetimi akwakoyi egu batamanyi engu na mawo atobedi e de ato abontin. It means I am proud, I am happy about it. So if you have a problem with me, talk about the problem you have with me. But me, whatever you think is a secret, it's not a secret to me because it makes me happy, it makes me comfortable, it gives me peace of mind, it makes me vibrate high, and that's just about it.
I was Miss Bell, baby.
I am so shocked, say the way and Crawford me akasa say as some be here who call me because I'm Yamenka. But you need to let people know. See, the only way you can prosper in this life is by doing the things that makes you happy. If you are always worried about what people will say, I swear to God, you will never be happy. And if you are not happy, and only near a spiritual community, someone can say you can't vibrate high. If you can't vibrate high, you can't be in alignment of the thing with the things you want. What's your own bronze be open, or car be open, or juma be open. Now, so you are afraid of what people will say. So the step you have to take, you can't take it because you're always trying to please people. I mean, I won't do that too. I won't please you. No. I'll let you know that this is what it is. My face is ugly, my buttocks is black, my ear is crooked. If you like it, you say you like it, you come. I entertain you. Then no, to me, I feels everything is fine.
But who nache? Mo friend mo watch
because everything you will tell me, you ask me no. The American and American. I'm complaining.
So bre.
Say your problem and I say baby and I didn't complain.
Often.
The only people I miss are my children. They are because they are vulnerable. Meanwhile, so I have to miss them. But when you're opening full grown and adults, I'm like you are my friend. Do I miss you? Do I call you? I only miss you when I need you. And I said, Fifi, I need to come on your show. Hey, that's me.
So fake life, say you can say where live will be paying.
Depending on what you determine as fake life.
Say your mass, say why we need to ya mo keke the way our mo portray omo ho say me bia me do so na akoma mo do movement din ya papa bi o say
me I'm a Capricorn. Say your door one your door. Yeah, so I am fake. I will tell you straight away. That mean do I cannot wait. Mean to me, my mom to me found this. So me pay. So if you call that fake there, then I don't know what it is. Because me, sometimes I feel like me and Jerry the whole day I want to be in my bed. I should be able to do that. Sometimes I feel like maybe I may answer phone calls the whole day. I should be allowed to do that. I don't want the situation whereby because we are Madame Fontaine, and some is sorry and Panamico Jerry because of you. I mean, person Jerry and I what me. Every son I may near her. Every time I didn't so big me. I don't want to go through all sorts of troubles because of somebody. Because I have used the word that I am Madame Fontino. No. The only people I'll make such sacrifices for are the kids that are vulnerable. No more money into age, grandpa. No, I don't care anymore. I have to take care of myself. I have to feel happy. I have to always vibrate high. I have to be in a positive energy. I have to, me per se, me tlam pem na me di yem pa na so poto krampo a I want to be able to do that. I don't want to think say madam for way intimi say. That's who I am. And obia oni mi anante achebia nim say sana metie. And they accept it. I have friends in the States, they will call me if I don't pick. They don't have any trouble. When I call them, we talk. We don't go whining. And I'm a friend, and I'm far, and because we are Miss Bontina. Oh no. So if you don't know that now, now be start complaining, I'll catch you off quickly.
The young now for almost the almost best show.
I've been able to my own bench share me now. Fe, I want any friend I own fa. And if you do that, I will explain to you. If you do that again, I'll catch you off. Who friend I mean for beam. Uba me fear now. Who me say me jina compound. Now me say me new You have to accept it. If you are seeing me feeling God, you say me new. You have to accept me new.
Adipani who so
yeah, I don't know what you are saying, but if I am there, you are seeing me, I'm seeing you, I say I'm not there, you have to accept that I am not there. Maybe your brain is not working right. It's making you feel like you are seeing me. I want you to accept that. So that's just who I am. But people come and they act like, and to see what I do is that my brother, no, but you have to accept it. If you can't accept it, and because of that, or trend who or here would now who friend now and find out by you where wine here. Me explaining me who chill, I'll just cut you off. And in the area.
Yes, now, where you more honomo, your friends, your pabo honomo now, only wait to be quiet. 90 then. What is wrong with it? Bibisa.
But incident to me no be come out. It makes me feel good. It makes me happy. It gives me peace of mind. It makes me happy. So then, if it doesn't make you happy and you are upset about it, you are not the right person to be around me. Me pobi say to akra na me pe and I miss me the metakra ma be ra to anu de bia na say we madam fo na so dom na say affects you in a bad mood, then you can't be my friend. Then if you think I'm weird, then you have to stay away from me. I have to be able to be with anybody I want to be with. It is a many of you call out on me pub more, whatever I saw you clean now, so you wait out, so I don't know, manage you or say, then you. It is my space, it is my choice. If the person doesn't have anything wrong with it, or not, mean share obia found this way and kumobia and say I'm a boo, and I mean, if it doesn't cost
why is a movie say or no now in the way?
It doesn't matter.
I
don't know who exactly they are saying. But then, whatever it is, if it makes me happy, it shouldn't make you upset. What it is. If it makes me happy, it shouldn't make you upset. So if I am okay with it, everybody who claims that they are my friend or family, it should be okay with you. If I say me watch my ear or no and or film or mommy feeling me, I mean see that good. Everybody around me must accept. If you can't accept and you think it's wrong and you want to run your mouth about it, that is your problem. But it makes me happy. I am not going to change just to make you feel okay. So if that is it, that's what it is. It is what it is, like my girl said. Means sorry to please anybody. I have done that in the past.
And then see you.
No, I'm very happy. I have my peace of mind. I can do anything I want to do. Anytime. Me damn pemuna me dream it mpesa me away pa na ba mpesa me ko pa na me ko. So why bring people who doesn't think say we are wrong? No. I won't.
Debia I say for any sound too much. Why is it that?
I'm special. I'm one of a kind. I'm a chosen one.
Are you doing something wrong, Ebia Unimana?
Well, if I'm doing something wrong, I mean, man, but anytime they want to calm my personal business. And on you be a one panel or you say, and only where you say that's my personal business. So my be not when you're uncomfortable. You have to quit with me. You don't have to put up with it to the point where you want to do what? And then you are a fool. If I am hurting you, now if he said, I mean, yeah, one pa, and who had work at me because that's what I do. Me ne wo ya down for sit down. Upa si abron sama me.
was here for days a beef now and home so and I question na me bisa. They say you child do Tonaldo so the book ni baba bonti and answer baba reply Miss Bell. Mr. Sonya subscribe and why ya my Moja TV YouTube. Na fe wa like wa comment no wa share na hu bi so anya bi. Eye me bell notification so 7 year the video bi abetuma. Only first person na be di Kenya. Na na join me di.